Dear students, welcome back to physics class. In the last class, we have discussed on electric field and electric field intensity. So, in this class, we are going to study some topics related to electric field. That is, consider a point charge plus q in air, and this plus q produces an electrical environment surrounding it called electric field. Now we consider a point P at a distance r from this point charge. That is the point P where the electric field is to be determined. Then how will you determine the electric field at point P? In the previous class, we have discussed on that method. That is, in order to find the electric field at any point within the electric field, place a test charge at that point, or place a unit test charge at that point. Then electric field at point P is the force experienced by a unit test charge at that point. That is the method to find electric field at the point P due to a point charge plus q. You just keep a unit test charge at the point P. Therefore, in the previous class, we have the equation for the electric field is equal to force on test charge divided by the magnitude of the charge, magnitude of the test charge. So, to find electric field at point P, keep a unit positive charge at the point P, that Q is the unit positive charge or unit test charge. Then using this equation, the electric field at point P equal to force on test charge divided by the magnitude of the test charge. And what is the force on test charge? It is given by using Coulomb's law. By Coulomb's law, the force on test charge equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 capital Q small q divided by r square. Therefore, electric field at P is equal to force on test charge, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 capital Q small q divided by r square divided by the magnitude of the charge is q, test charge is q, then q cancel. Therefore, electric field at P is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. This is the electric field at point P. And the direction of electric field is in the direction of electric force. If the charge is plus q, the direction of force is away. This is the direction of force. Therefore, the direction of electric field is away from the point charge. And if the point charge is minus q, the direction is opposite. So, that means the direction is towards minus q because there is an attraction. Therefore, the direction of force is towards plus minus q. Therefore, the direction of electric field is also towards minus q. But the magnitude of electric field due to plus q and also minus q will be same. That is E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 capital Q divided by r square or charge by r square. And in this equation, you see that the electric field is varies inversely proportional to square of the distance. So, if you draw a graph between this distance and electric field, the graph is like this. Okay, this is the nature of the graph. So, this is about electric field intensity due to a point charge, whether plus q or minus q, the equations will be same. Okay, thank you. So, we have discussed the electric field at a point due to a point charge as is a plus q, then point P at a distance r, then electric field at a point P is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. Now the value of electric field at the point P is given by E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. It is in scalar form. But actually electric field is a vector quantity. Then how will you write electric field in vector form? Vector form of electric field. So E is equal to 1 by, generally E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. So in vector, E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square into cap r, where cap r is the unit vector in the direction of electric field. And what is cap r? Vector r by modulus of its vector. So E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square cap r divided by r, or E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r cube into cap r. So this is the electric field in vector form. Okay, and in this case electric field in vector form. So in this case, in magnitude we does not give any sign whether plus q or minus q in the equation, but in using in vector form we just put the electric field due to plus q is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square into cap r, and electric field due to minus q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus q by r square cap r, because in only when you write in vector form you put this sign of charges, point charge, whether plus q or minus q. And this is about the vector form of electric field. So we have discussed only the electric field intensity due to a point charge, but if a system contains number of charges, how will you represent the total electric field at a point due to the other charges? Now we are going to find the total field due to a system of charges at a particular point. Okay. Next, electric field due to a system of charges. So we have the electric field is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square in cap r. Now let us consider a number of charges q1, then plus q2, then minus q3, etc. Then let us charge q. So what is the, let the point P where all the charges plus q1 plus q2 and minus q3 act on P. Then what is the total electric field at point P due to the number of charges q1, q2, q3, etc. qn? For that, this is q1, that is r1, and this is r2, then r3, etc. rn. Then the direction is, this is E1, this is E2, and this is E3, etc. Then this is En. Therefore, the total electric field at a point P due to number of charges Q1, Q2, Q3, etc. Qn is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus etc. plus En, which means that the total electric field at a point P is equal to the vector sum of the electric field due to individual charges. That is, total electric field at P equal to vector sum of electric field due to individual charges. Or this is very simple equations, and this is known as electric field due to a system of charges, or it is also known as principle of superposition of electric fields, similar to principle of superposition of forces, as F equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus etc. plus Fn, like that. So, what is principle of superposition of electric field? According to principle of superposition of electric field, the total electric field at a point P or general at a point is the vector sum of the electric field due to individual charges. This is about the electric field due to a system of charges.